Now Sultan is showing us how to make cacık, which is cucumber with yogurt and herbs. But I want you to watch her knife skills, how she is chopping her cucumber. Don't try this at home, right? Years of experience with that knife. You can see how tiny these pieces are. Dem has chopped her garlic very fine, and now she's going back and she's chopping it even into smaller pieces, but then she uses her knife and she kind of makes a paste out of it. Okay, so now we're making our cacık. We have our cucumber that's been diced into tiny little pieces, our mint, our parsley, and now we're going to add our yogurt. Add some cold water to the yogurt mixture to dilute it. You don't want your yogurt to be very thick, or you want it to be more on the watery side. And continue adding more water as necessary to get the right consistency. You want it fairly watery. You don't want it very thick. And add even more water. You want this pretty runny and very liquidy.
Tamam. Şimdi tamam. İyi mi böyle? İyi. Şöyle. Az oluyorsa.
After the cacık's ready, you want to put some olive oil on it, and you're topping it with dried mint.